Hello everyone. In this class I will cover topic sets of mathematics class 11 NCERT book. Then in next class I will do exercise related to sets. Let we start sets. What is a sets? So sets is a well defined collection of objects. Objects may be pupil, may be numbers, may be alphabets. For examples, student of a class in a school is a collection of pupil. Collection of alphabet of a words city. Suppose this is a word city, CITY city. So collection of alphabet of word city is also well defined objects. Are collection of natural number less than 10, maybe less than 10, less than 7. Yeah, collection of natural number is also a well defined collection of objects. So objects may be pupils, numbers or alphabets. Then how we will write collection of objects in short sets? So we will close these objects in a bracket in this form. Suppose collection of vowels of English alphabet, then what will be the collection? A, E, I, O, U. So this is known as sets, because set is a collection of well defined objects. Objects may be alphabet, may be pupils, may be things, may be numbers. So we will represent a sets in this form. We will close all the objects in brackets like this, and this is known as sets. There are some points you should remember. First is notation. What is the notation? There are some more example. Natural number less than 20 also is a collection of numbers. The name of month of a year is also a well defined object. And how we will write name of month of a year in sets form? We will close all the name of months. What will be the name of months? January, February, March, April, and all the 12 months we will close in this bracket. So this is known as sets of the months of a year. Similarly, the collection of vowels in the English alphabet, namely A, E, I, O, U. So how we will read? We will write in sets form A, E, I, O and U. This is a collection of vowels of English alphabet. Similarly, collection of name of day of a week. What will be the collection of day of a week? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So we will write in sets like this: collection of day of a week, it is also a sets. And sets also may be like this: solution of equations x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So what will be the solution of this? Solution of this will be 2 and 3. So how we will write in sets form? We will write in sets form like this: 2 and 3. So this is known as sets, collection of well defined objects. So you have to remember some notations. First, n is the collection of all natural number. So the sets of all natural number will be represented by n. How we will represent? 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. So we will represent collection of n, all natural number. We will replace this 1, 2, 3 dash 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 with this capital N. Capital N means collection of all natural number. What is Z? Z is the sets of all integers. Q is the sets of all rational number. R the sets of real number. Z plus the sets of positive integers. Q plus the sets of positive rational number, and R plus the sets of positive real number. You have to remember these things. अब some more points you have to remember. First point, objects, elements and member of a set are synonymous. तो the members of a set may be known as objects, may be known as elements, or may be known as members. All these terms are synonymous. Number 2, sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z. How we will represent? Suppose A is a set, then we will represent A equal to like this. तो A is a sets. तो we represent sets by capital letters A, B, C. Number 3, the element of a set is represented by small letters like this A, B, C. It is a sets. If A is an element of a set A, suppose A is a set, तो A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. तो A is a element or objects or member of a set A. Then how we will write? A belongs to A. It means this symbol is known as belongs. Similarly, E belongs to A. So A is, it mean E is the member of set A. Okay, then how we will write member relation with sets? We will write with this symbol epsilon, and it is known as belongs. So belongs to A, belongs to B. If an element does not belongs to A, suppose A is the sets of A, E, I, O, U. Then A, E, I, O, U. All these alphabet belongs to A. But B is not present in this collection. Then how we will write B and A relation? We will write B does not belongs. Does not belong का mean we will cut it belongs to A. B is not a member of A. It means B is not a member of A. So you should also remember the symbols. It means belongs or it means does not belongs. So you also have to remember these two symbols. अब there are two methods to represent a set. One method is roster or tabular form, other is set or builder form. So first I will explain how we will write in the roster form and how we will write in the build-up form. So suppose in first I will explain tabular form, how we will write tabular form. So in tabular form, suppose A is a sets and A set is the collection of natural number. तो collection of natural number क्या होगा? Collection of natural अच्छे लिख लेते हैं, collection of natural numbers. How we will write? A equal to A is a sets and A sets is the collection of natural number. We will write 1, 2, 3 because natural number start from 1 and will go up to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash dash. So in tabular form we will like that one. And how we will write in build-up form? So same thing, we can write A equal to X, of where X it means colon mean, this is colon means where X is a natural number. X is a natural number. So this is known as build-up form and this is known as tabular form. We will write natural number, collection of natural number 1 2 3 dash dash dash. This is टेबुलर फॉर्म. ये टेबुलर फॉर्म है, टेबुलर, और दिस इज बिल्डअप. इन बिल्डअप फॉर्म में वी हैव रिटन एक्स, वेयर एक्स इज ए नेचुरल नंबर. तो बोथ आर सेम, this one and this one tabular form are same, but we are representing with different notation. So we have written in notation form. For example, 11 is described in roster form as positive integers less than 11 is described 2 4 6 8 10. तो ये even positive integers less than 10, तो collection of even positive integer less than 10 we can write in tabular form like this. And in build-up form, how we will write? A equal to x, or where x is even positive integer less than 11. We will write like this one and we will close this parenthesis. So there are two methods, one is tabular or one is build up. So we can write in any form. So in roster method, and this is build set builder method. Example, x is a vowel of English alphabet. Then what will be it in tabular form? A E I O U, A E I O U. We will write in tabular form, and this is build-up form. अब there is one set that is important, is known as empty set. So what is an empty set? A set which does not contain any element is called the empty set, or the null set, or the void set, or zero set. We represent null set or empty set by symbol phi, by this symbol, or by this symbol, or by this symbol. A sets which have no any elements inside it is known as empty sets, or void sets, or null sets. For example, suppose let A is a set where x is less than 1, is greater than 1 and less than 2. X is a natural number. So there is no natural number that is greater than 1 and less than 2. Between 1 and 2, what will be? 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 like this. But 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 is not a natural number. It means there is no any element of set A. Hence it is known as empty sets, or void sets, or null sets. Second example, v is a set v equal to x where x minus 2 equal to 0 and x is a rational number. So x minus 2 equal to 0. Sorry, this is not x minus 2. Correct it, this is not x minus 2, this is x square minus 2. So please make a correction. V equal to x where x square minus 2 equal to 0 and x is a rational number. तो फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व इट. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 बराबर 0 बराबर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0. तो वी विल सॉल्व इट. देन एक्स स्क्वायर व्हाट इट विल बी, एक्स स्क्वायर बराबर 2, एक्स स्क्वायर बराबर 2. देन एक्स इक्वल टू हाउ मच, एक्स इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस रूट 2. रूट 2 is not a rational number. Root 2 is not a rational number. Hence, what will be the member of this sets? There will be no any member of this sets, and it will be empty sets or null sets or void sets. Next example is C is a set C equal to x, or where x is an even prime number greater than 2. तो what it means even prime number greater than 2? तो there is no even prime number other than 2. तो greater than 2 means there will be no any prime number greater than 2. It means there will be no any member or objects or element of this set C. तो set C will be empty sets. We will write like that one or like that one or void sets, void or null sets, void sets. Okay, I think now it is clear what is empty sets. All these example are in Boulder form. This is not in tabular form, this is in Boulder form. अब types of sets, there are two more type of sets. One is finite sets, other is infinite set. So what is a finite sets? So any sets which have fixed number of elements. Suppose it is a sets of 1 2 3 4 5. So is this finite sets or infinite sets? Because number of elements of this sets is fixed, so it is known as finite sets. If number of elements of a set is not fixed, suppose a equal to 1 2 3 4 dash 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 dash. So last number is not known and we can't define what will be the last number, so it is known as infinite sets. Where the number of elements of a set is not fixed, it is known as infinite sets. Infinite sets. In Builder form, how we will write infinite sets and finite sets, I will explain. In Builder form, if we want to write a finite set, so we will write that one x, or x belongs to n, मतलब x is a natural number and x is less than 20. So here number of element will be fixed. How we will write this one in tabular form? X is belongs to n. Belongs to n mean x is a natural number. तो natural number starts from 1 2 3 4 or x up to 19, because x is less than 20. तो less than 20 last number what will be 19. 4 5 6 7 dash 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 19. तो number of element or number of objects of this sets is fixed, hence it is known as finite sets. And how we will write infinite sets in Builder form? Suppose A is a sets, then A equal to x, और x where x belongs to n. x जो है x is a natural number. Then what will be the value of n? It starts from n from 1 and last value we could not calculate what will be the last value. So number are infinite, so it is known as infinite sets. Other is equal sets. how two sets will be equal. Suppose A sets equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Other set is B equal to 3, 4, 1, 2. So how these two sets will be equal? When number of elements and each element should be equal. If it contain 1, then if A set contain 1, then B set should contain 1. If A set contain 2, then B set should contain 2. A set contain 3, then B set should also contain 3. If A contain 4, then B set should also contain 4. So each element should be equal of both sets, or number of elements should be equal, then it is known as equal sets. Two sets will be equal only and only if each member of two sets are equal. Order may be different. If in A 1, 2, 3, 4, order in B may be 4, 3, 2, 1, like that one, but each member should be equal and number of member should be equal. Then these two sets A and B are called equal sets. अब सबसेट, व्हाट इज ए सबसेट? तो ए सबसेट इज मेड अप ऑफ ए सेट्स. हाउ? सपोज ए इज ए सेट्स, इट्स मेंबर इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a sets 1, 2, 3. Then because all elements of B is present in A, then B is known as subsets of A. If a set is made from the elements of other sets, then it is known as subsets of that sets. It means that every member of subset should be present in that set from which it is made. If B is a subset of A, then each element of B should be present in sets A. If B contain element 1, 2, 3, then these elements should be present in sets A. Then we will write B is a subset of A. What is the symbol of subsets? Subset symbol is like this one. If it is not subset of, suppose A contain elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and we contain elements 1, 3, 6, 7, then each element of B is not present in A, so we can't say B is not a subset of A. Then we will write like that one, B is not subsets of A. So is not subset symbol is that, so B is not a subset of A. So in today class this only. In next class we will do the exercise related to these sets, so that everything will be clear. Who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, so that if I upload any video you should get notification. Thank you.